Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be discussing vocational opportunities in Finland. So Finland is known for its excellent education system, excellent living conditions, and a high quality of life. So this beautiful country offers numerous vocational opportunities for those who are willing to take advantage of them. One of the most popular vocational programs in Finland is the 3-year college program. So this college provides a strong foundation in academic subjects as well as a practical training in various industries. Many foreigners choose to study in Finland due to the reputation of its colleges, which are known for their high quality education and emphasis on skill development. In addition to college programs, Finland also offers a wide range of vocational training programs for foreigners. So these programs can either be short-term or long-term and are designed to provide practical hands-on experience in a specific trade or industry. So many of these programs are conducted through private companies and vocational schools, which are often owned by locals or people from either ethnic background as participants. Finland has numerous trade unions and offer vocational training opportunities and career development programs for foreigners. So these programs are often free of charge, like the one we are looking at in this video. So if you go to this website and navigate, you're going to find all those free of charge programs that are available for foreigners. If you see the ones that are in Finnish, you can skip over them. Make sure you always translate the page and go to the ones that have English titles. There you can apply for them and get an opportunity to study for this vocational training free of charge, and also be able to move to Finland with your family and anybody that you deem fit. So guys, please check out this website. As I said, they offer free of charge so many vocational programs, guys. So please check them out. So there are so many opportunities there for foreigners. Please guys, check them out. I'm just gonna not talk too much in this video, but please go through the end of this video, navigate through the site, do your own research, and make sure to apply. The application is very easy. By the end of this video, the email, the phone number that you can contact, if you're serious, you definitely watch it to the end to get this phone number and email that you can contact and start this journey. And as you can see on the screen, you can always filter to get exactly what you're looking for, guys. So it's pretty easy. The platform is very easy to navigate. I'm not putting the link in the description below because I just want people that actually go for it to be people that are serious. So as you can see on the screen, if you search for study info, make sure it looks like what we have on the screen, and then you search for it and you apply. Because once you're serious, you're gonna get it right. So please guys, do well to do your research, to follow this video to the end, get the information that you want and apply. And I wish you all the very best. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed.